Byron, the Undisputed Championship is on the line here. The title has one of the richest histories in our business. The champion is representing quite a legacy here tonight.
Yeah, the combined history of the WWE Championship and the World Heavyweight Championship all rolled into one championship. And like the title implicates, there is no disputing who is at the top when you carry that hardware around. Escapes and establishes a waistline.
Sure, perfect takedown.
Ooh. Connecting with the moonsault.
He's waiting for him to rise to deliver something devastating.
And Cody didn't see that coming. There's press! There's press! There's press! Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes.
When you're facing Cody Rhodes, you really have to try your best to be more tenacious and somehow even more stubborn than Cody. Watch out! Down with force!
Throwing all costs into the wind in pursuit of the title.
The Jinoku driver. Cody possibly realizing his opponent might be just as dangerous as he is.
Cena's offensive wherewithal was on point. Wow, sunset flip powerbomb.
A powerbomb's not meant to be pretty, but oh man, does it get the job done.
Yeah, pretty sure they don't want to be taking any more of those.
So much torque on the knee and ankle.
No doubt Cody is having trouble here.
Yeah, this is how you have to be against Cody. Upping your tenacity and giving 110%.
He connects with a counter.
Cody Rhodes finding a way to slow his opponent's assault down.
But Cody has to push now while the window's open. Lots of counters from each athlete. Impenetrable defense.
Springboard drop kick. Oh, he slips out of harm's way.
What a clothesline! Ouch! The challenger enduring the punishment. Into a monkey flip.
I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that.
Cena warding him off.
Look at the power from Cena. Face first. Here it comes.
Not again.
Yes! You can't see me.
Cena got all of it, had him in his sights, focused, and nailed it.
The fruits of his determination on display there. We're about to see it.
Driving into the canvas for the attitude adjustment.
That might have just sealed the deal on us having a new champ.
That was a matter of a fraction of a second.
And Cena has to hammer down now. He was only inches away from gaining the 3 count.
Nice running crossbody.
Oh, no. On a reverse DDT. And saw what was coming there.
Pulls their opponent in. Belly to belly.
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
Cena pausing to soak up the adulation. He looks defenseless as he struggles to get his bearings.
What a shoulder blow. Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact.
Look at this. He just tossed the leg.
The champ is looking hopeless here.
Could be getting into a dire situation soon.
Targets the gut to end the offense.
Hoisted up.
Frozen.
The C-Nation is coming alive.
Cody's got to find a way to put his best foot forward here.
Body slam slipped out.
Inverted DDT connects. Climbing to the top. What's he thinking?
Launching.
Get this back into the ring now.
A gruesome landing. I don't know how you walk away from that. Inside cradle applied, shoulders down.
And only gets a 1 count.
Still has a great amount of fight in them. Not going to let it end like this.
Knee drop.
The American Nightmare nails the crossroads. Did the champ just close this out?
Strong kick out late into the match.
Still in it.
What a gutsy performance.
Rhodes hopes for victory down to the...
Here we go. Time to work out some aggression. Nothing pretty here. Just good old-fashioned fisticuffs. Just teeing off with that fight forever vibe. Toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags.
Ooh. Who will break first? That is the question.
Boom. Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up.
This is a war of attrition with neither
Back and forth, blow for blow, just teeing off on another. Oh, jeez, looking absolutely rocked.
And a direct assault has Cody breathing heavy in the late going.
That attack certainly going to threaten Cody's chances in this one.
And that was a well-executed attack.
Oof. Dodge is out of the way.
Bulldog brings them down. And somehow through the pain, Cody is still holding the line.
Not everything's gone to plan for Cody, but he still has a chance to finish the job. Cena stays off the attack.
He catches Cena with a counter.
Both competitors showing they've studied the other's playbooks to the teeth.
Face first.
It's not every day you witness a battle like this one unfold.
Yeah, the WWE Universe clearly realizing just how lucky they are to be watching this match live.
And he said it for years. You want some? Come get some. Referee continues the count.
Not much time left here.
And back in. He was dangerously close to being counted out of this one.
Set out pendulum face buster.
That's gonna hurt.
John Cena's got his opponent where he wants him, and here it comes. You can't see me.
5-knuckle shuffle.
This place has come unglued.
Rightfully so.
Back body drop.
You see the height on that?
But his torso continues to be the target here.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to mount any sort of attack for him now.
Cena! Attitude adjustment from Cena.
The challenger comes up big.
Placing him in the corner.
He's placed into a precarious position.
Uh-oh, from the top. Snapmare. That was nasty. And now Rhodes can't stop this momentum.
Cena showing that trademark ruthless aggression.
Ooh, he fends that.
And Cody puts a stop to the momentum.
And the American Nightmare will crossroads.
Oh, no. He is in a bad way.
Oh, he got busted wide open by that attack.
How?
Kicking out at one after that is unheard of.
It looks like Cody is going to have to readjust, maybe strategize here. He thought that was it, but somehow it wasn't.
Hoisted up.
Suplex!
Oh, look at this. Measuring. He's about to unleash something big. Brainbuster!
Oh, look at the start of this. Could be going into the playbook for submission.
Great ring awareness getting to the ropes.
Taking steps toward the top rope.
He's looking like easy prey, about to fall into a trap.
Launching. Bullseye.
Dropping the elbow. Cody is picking the opposition position apart.
John has to find an opening and respond.
Cody leaping to the top.
Cody, cover. The champion into the pin. And he kicks out of the pin in one.
Still not enough to put him away.
Cody looking for the win.
Rhodes.
The champ taking care of business here.
2 count. And they're still in this.
This puts the pressure back on the champion.
Can the champion respond with their back against the wall?
Disbelief on the face of the American Nightmare. What's he going to have to do to put this away? John Cena. Attitude adjustment.
We might be moments away from crowning a new champ.
No way! John Cena just won the championship.
Here is your winner, and the new undisputed WWE Champion, the greatest of all time, John Cena!
A night and title change we will all remember for a very long time.
Honestly, Michael, there is no way I can think to describe this other than absolute goosebumps.